Pisek Shopping Center. Is it really?
Yeah.
Well, why do they call it a J? What did you
See,
call it?
right on the door.
J Mart.
J Mart Grocery.
Well, that's...
There.
Can you watch that movie?
A lot of candy, huh?
You know, 4 o'clock weather, man.
4 o'clock
What
weather?
time is it? We've got to get ready for the 4 o'clock
It's not quite
weather.
4, is it?
No. No, we've still got 5 minutes. Was
So
there
you
something
serve,
good on there? No. Yeah. This is more or less just for our hanging out area.
Oh, you're
We
hanging
used
out
to
area?
do coffee here, but it got to be
Too much?
well, once COVID came,
Oh, COVID.
yeah, then we put the coffee counter.
Yeah.
Okay, there's the local channel, so at 4 o'clock we'll get the weather girl.
Well, it's supposed to be pretty nice next few days.
The next couple days will be great. Yeah. Thank heavens. Treats. And then what happens.
Winter is what
that'll
happens.
come, I'm sure. Yeah. I like when the weatherman says it's gonna be cold. Well, yeah.
Really?
I bet I could get that weather report.
Well, what's the story behind the T-shirt? You know?
Gnarly 2022.
What's a
N2.
N2? Do the gnarly 2.
That's when it started, 2022. This gnarly, it's a bike race.
So it's a bike race
It's a bike race.
up
Yeah.
here?
Our priest started it in 2022.
Oh,
And we have people from, they do like the 26-mile race, the 60-mile race,
oh
and
wow,
the 100-mile race.
wow.
Gravel. Gnarly means gravel.
Oh, gnarly gravel bikes, pedal bikes,
Yeah.
pedal bikes.
Yeah, they have to bike. And first one's done, we get people from all around the United States. One that always seems to win, he's from Quebec, Canada.
Quebec.
Quebec.
He comes a long way.
Yeah, he does. And he wins every time.
I see Bison fans here.
Oh yeah, they're UNC fans too. Hockey fans.
Gnarly is information from the newspapers down along here.
See, the priest goes and does the race too.
Wow.
He did the
Catholic priest started it. Okay.
It's in the great church Bible. It's like the old getting all the goodies stored. It looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you.
Hi there. Enjoy the candy.
So you've been here for 80 years.
Yeah. No, really,
Yeah. No.
I'm
Your
8
family.
I'm 8 years away. No, 7 years away from that. Oh, I would say
Yeah,
7.
well, you look
80
pretty
and 7
good.
years.
Well, thank you guys
Yes,
for everything.
This has been wonderful.
They said they had to give up the coffee thing and COVID.
Well, have a nice trip back.
Thank you very much.
Candy and everything.
Thank you again for everything. This is
Come
very
back
nice.
again next year.
What are, what's